Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Road Adventures. Today, we're going to be doing something different. We have the DJI A right here. We have a whole bunch of accessories on it, batteries, the drone. But we lost the phone that's able to update it. And saying it's 6 years old, we decided it's time to retire this drone. So, let's slide over the new one. This is the all-new DJI Mini 4 Pro. We have a wide angles lens and filters for it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open it right up. It's gonna be a little harder because it is just me filming. So let's see how I do. Oh, and this is a refurbished unit right here. You can see it. It says RB at the top, RB unit. Stands for refurbished unit. So let's see here. Let's see how I can cut this open. Just gonna kind of cut a slice right here, just like that. Put the knife aside. There we go. Won't fall plastic in. Okay, now all the plastic is off. This is the Fly More version. So this one will come in a bag. Let's open that up, but pull it out. Okay, so here's the bag. There's gonna be nothing else inside the box. So let's go ahead and let's open it right up. Turn it around. There's just a zipper on the front. Pop it open. Okay, so in this one, there's some accessories and stuff. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and start up here. The top zipper. It's the top zipper. Inside of it. Let's see. We'll go ahead and open this up first. Oh, so this is like a cord, a tool, and spare for propellers. I'm just gonna go ahead and lay everything out for you guys and show you what all's in here in a second. Okay, so inside the top was the propellers and the cord, instructions manual, and then this right here is your C2 controller. Comes with a screen. Looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Pull it out. So here it is. It looks really nice. On the back it has the it has some buttons right back here. Has the finger pieces for it. What else does it have? You can charge it down there, as well as that's where you're gonna put your SD card. So that's really cool. This looks like your charging station. It came with 3 batteries, is what it looks like. Oh, one more thing I should tell you guys is the refurbished units are basically new, and you get 20% off on them. So they're cheaper. Okay, pull that out. So here's the batteries. You just kind of click them out like that. Just pop in there. There's buttons like this on both sides. Push them in. Pull it out. That's what the batteries look like. They're definitely different from our old drones. Here, let me get one of these batteries out. Say they're smaller. They have smaller batteries and stuff, so they will not be compatible at all. As you can tell, pretty different. Same as well as the controllers. Let's see here. This controller, you gotta pull these down right here. Pull both the sides down to attach your phone. As you can tell, you had to do that. Versus with a new one, you don't attach your phone at all. It just goes straight from the screen. So that's pretty cool. And last but not least, inside this whole thing is the drone. And until it's completely empty, don't see any other pockets. So, gotta go ahead and put the battery back. Put that battery back. Now let's get into the drone. This is the part that we all have come for. So the drone looks like it comes with this thing over it to keep everything in place. Looks like you undo it right here. Just a little button thing. Pull it. And it all comes off. Just kind of drops down to the bottom. And it attaches somewhere down there. So we probably won't need that right now. So the bottom, here's the battery. So it looks like you have to do a lot of stuff to get the battery out. Let's see here. So we're gonna pull off this tag right here. Pull that off. It's just the sticker on the battery. Now I'm gonna try to open it all up. So I'm gonna put this thing into tripod mode. See if I can do anything better. Whoa. Let's see here. There you go, that'll work. So here's the drone. You pull out the sides. The bottom ones, they fold down like this, as you can tell. Fold the bottom one down, pull this out, and it goes like that. The battery's just right back here. You pinch the side, pull it out. That's what it looks like on the inside. You can charge the thing, USB-C, or you can take a plug and plug it into your laptop and get everything out of it. And or there's the SD card slot right here. There's the camera thing up here at the front. Pull the bottom out, kind of carefully pull it off. Here's the camera. It all looks really nice. Really nice build. So I'll be right back with you guys here in a little bit after we get the batteries charged, so that way I can go ahead and show you guys the app. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have one charged battery and the remote is charged. So I'm gonna be adding, it takes two SD cards. It takes one for the remote and one for your drone. So we're gonna be using SanDisk's 512s memory cards. So go ahead and open them up. See if we can get it back into tripod mode. What's up, Chingies? So they're a little hard to open. Looks like I might take some knife work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it open pretty carefully. I still don't want to end up opening. So just gonna go ahead. I found a plastic wrap over it, so just gonna go ahead and put the plastic wrap a bit. So cut it right around this thing. Make sure you don't cut the SD card. There we go. So here's the first one. Just gonna kind of pop it out. The first one, little 512. Just gonna go ahead, push it in. Or that might be the wrong way. Maybe it goes like this. Nope, so it goes like this. There you go. You just kind of see it. Pops right in. Pops right out. And for the other one, do the same thing. Go right around it. I can actually do it this time. There you go. This one took so much less time. Do that, put that aside. So this one right here, take the drone, kinda, this little slot right here, you're gonna gotta push it in. This one goes the opposite way. Something more or less like this. Pushes in, nice and smooth. So you need to wait for a phone to hook it up to, because I'm not hooking it up to mine. This slides right in, the battery, and so I'll be right back once I get the phone. There we go. After a little work, you do not need the app after we figured that out. It's all controlled by this remote and the screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, you're going to turn it on, just like that. Maybe you have to hold it. I'll go ahead and start off by actually just putting these in. That one in. Where's that one? Ooh, these are nice. Give me just 1 second. Okay, so turn the remote on. You click it once and you hold it. Like that. And then it turns it on. Same thing with the drone. On the back of it, the button, you click once, then you hold it. That turns it on. Now there are LED lights on it. You'll see it here in a second. So it's going to ask you some questions. I'm pretty sure this is touch screen. Yep, it is. So you just touch it. You have to agree. Jinx. Back away, girl. United States. Next. And you have to pick your Wi-Fi, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Went ahead and did that. Time. I don't know anything about the time zone or anything. So I'm just gonna hit cancel next. Never mind. Just. Okay, give me just 1 second. Let me search up what time zone we're in. I was after looking around a bit. I was just running too fast. I found Arizona. And so I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. Next, it'll tell you your exact time. So check with anything. It is exactly 11:42. So confirm it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to create an account. So give me a couple seconds. Okay, so you went ahead and did it. So it says let's get started with your guide. So we're gonna start because our old drone didn't have this. So it says back. It just shows you some stuff all about the drone. So I'll be right back so I can go show my dad who's gonna be flying this stuff. And so I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and did that. So now I'm gonna hit go to DJI Fly. It's right after this one. Actually, what does it say? Blinks your head, smart controller, temperature too high. So that's this thing. Blinks control sticks not centered. Blinks yellow, low battery warning. Blinks blue, linking with aircraft. So you're gonna hit go to fly. It's there you go. Go ahead and watch it. So go ahead and hit next. Whoa. Sorry guys, my dog's crazy. I think we're gonna go. Jeez, knock it off. Not now. So now it's going to tell you this. I'm going to hit connect to Mini 4. Okay, let's see what happens. Did exactly what it asked me to? Oh, something happened. Oh, so right up here in the corner. Hope it agree. It's activating it. Done. Give me just 1 second. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit skip because we said no. Confirm. Skipped it. Installed. So we're gonna update the firmware. Updating. Jinx, calm down, girl. Hey, Jinx. So just gonna give this a couple minutes. I'll be right back with you guys when it's done. Okay, so we did the updates and stuff. We still need a couple more updates. We just need for another battery to charge. This thing works great. The drone's so cool. Stay tuned for part 2, or stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna fly it. So we have a couple more things that we're gonna add. Screen protectors and this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up first. Don't remember exactly where I put my knife, which is fine. So let's just start off with this. So right here, we got a case for it. It'll be better than the razor, more protection, thicker, stronger. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to put stuff in. So we're gonna start off with this. Go ahead and unscrew them. Put them back here to the back where they go. Push them in. Do this to both. Push them both in. Then your controller just kind of goes in just like that. Or like that. Just like this. And I'm pretty sure there'll be a link down below for the case. And maybe this box too. There might be a link down below. But before we put the case in, got some stuff in here for the thing. So got a little strap for it, but I don't think it'll fit in here. So alright, go ahead and throw the strap up here. And then there's this. I have no clue what this is. Oh, this is just some extra protection. So some spare stuff. This goes over top of it when you're done, it looks like. So let's see, let's kind of put this thing on, because this might be kind of important. So go ahead and open it up like this. Some kind of, let's see here. This thing just kind of goes right up and over it, like that. And this piece right here, whoa. It's a little bit different than I thought. Okay, I'll show this one more time. So you kind of have to go like that, put that on. Just have to kind of don't want to break this. It looks like it's somehow got like way down here. Oh, that's what you do. Just kind of goes into there. Goes something more like that. Okay, I don't know how to put that on. Probably look at that. So next, you can go ahead and add something that some of you guys might be asking about. Screen protectors. So yes, we are going to be adding a screen protector to this. It's probably like one of the most important things. Oh, here's this. So it looks like you flip it over. No, so you put these up like this. You flip it over. You put it like that. Something like this. But you put it like this. And this piece kind of. No, this has to be like a DJI symbol, which would be like right here. Oh, so snap those up. This thing kind of comes over, but down like this. So you just gotta turn those like that, I'm pretty sure. Wrong way. It'll work. You just gotta kind of figure out how to snap it down like that. This thing closes right up and over it. Just like that. Then just put these down. Oh, there we go. Like that. So let's say put that on. Go ahead, put that away. So after you do that, I'll go ahead and add the screen protector on later, because most of you guys don't know how to do a screen protector. If you wanted to, actually I probably should. It'll keep it on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add screws. Wait a second. I don't know if I want to do that. I won't do this yet, but because I have the things out of it, as you can tell. But normally you'll just pull it up like this now. Kind of control it. So we'll just go ahead and do it. Why not? Okay, I'll have to do that later, but you guys know how to do that now. So there's that. So that's done. So the drone. Whoa. Uh-ohs. Give me just 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So next we're gonna go ahead and add the drone in. So we're gonna start off by closing the wings. That's probably the most important part. So to close the wings, you just kind of, the front ones go down and backwards, and they sit here. So just down, back. The propellers just kind of sit there. These ones you push in, they sit like that. Same thing on both sides. So you go like that, like that. This piece right here. So you go take a look at it again, and it looks like it goes like that. Right, yeah, it goes like this. So you go like that. Go ahead, put that over, just like this. Just gotta do a little bit of moving around. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and take the battery out really quick before I forget. Take the battery out. I've only done this one other time, so still trying to get used to it. And then eventually, you'll get pretty good at it. Just gotta go like that. There we go. And it should just snap in. Like that. So that goes on this cover up here. Just ever so carefully, just kind of slide it on like that. Goes on nice. So this thing, then you just kind of bring it. So you're gonna get this close. It'll eventually just kind of drop in like this. There we go. So that goes right there. Batteries will go here, cords, other things up here. So, like the stuff I put back in here, because I thought this was the case that we were using. So like the spare propellers will go in there. All of this will go into there. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed another video of Red Adventures. This is a really cool drone. Stay tuned for the next video of where we're going to be flying it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.